Hey guys, Jacob Dorjan here. So today I'll be showing you how to install iOS 15.1 on your iOS device. So to do this, go to Safari, and then go on beta.apple.com, and then scroll down until you find Get Started. Press on that, and then scroll down to the Get Started section, and then press Enroll your iOS device, and then go to Download Profile, press on that, and then press Allow, and then go to Settings, and then press Profile Downloaded, and press Install. Then type in your passcode, and then on the top right corner press Install, and press Restart. And now iOS 15.1 will be available in Settings. Go to General, and then press Software Update. Press Download and Install, and then type in your passcode once again, and now it's installing. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next.